Main unit overview. Parts list. Main unit. Rubber plug kit, air bladder adapter, conical adapter, smoke outlet hose, hook, oil bottle, battery clamp cables. Preparation before operation. Install the hook. Connect the smoke outlet hose to the outlet vent of the unit. Use the smoke oil bottle to add smoke oil to the oil filling port. The smoke oil level shall not exceed the maximum marking on the sight glass. Connect the battery clamp cables to the power socket of the unit and the vehicle power supply. Power on. Indicator light illuminate. Functional operation demonstration. A red power indicator shows the unit is in standby state. A green smoke indicator shows air mode is activated. Press the start button, and the power indicator light will turn green. Air pump starts working. Air flows out from the smoke outlet hose. Press the air smoke mode switch button, and the smoke indicator light will turn red. The unit switches to smoke mode. Smoke flows out from the smoke outlet hose. Press the stop button, and the power indicator light will turn red. Smoke stops. Smoke indicator returns to green. The unit returns to air mode. Press the start button again, and the power indicator light will turn green. Air flows out from the smoke outlet hose. Switch to smoke mode, and the smoke indicator will turn red. Smoke flows out from the smoke outlet hose. Switch air smoke mode as required during actual operation. Stop. The smoke hose can be used with the conical adapter as required. How to use the air bladder adapter. Close the pressure relief valve. Press the hand pump until the air bladder expands to a suitable tightness. Connect the smoke hose to the adapter as smoke delivery tube. Switch to smoke mode. Smoke flows out from the smoke outlet hose. Switch to air mode. Stop. Functional demonstration completed. Now perform vehicle pipeline leak detection. Remove the intake pipe connector. Place the air bladder of the adapter into the intake pipe. Close the pressure relief valve. Press the hand pump until the air bladder expands to a suitable tightness. Connect the smoke hose to the adapter as smoke delivery tube. Hang the unit onto the vehicle hood. Power on. Indicator lights illuminate. Press the start button, and the air pump will start working. Air mode start. Switch to smoke mode. By observing smoke from the vehicle pipes, diagnose the leak location in the pipes. Then perform relevant repairs. After diagnosis, stop smoke mode. Start air mode to purge smoke from the pipes, or remove the intake pipe to expel remaining smoke. Stop. Diagnostic leak detection complete. Open the pressure relief valve. Remove the adapter and disconnect the smoke delivery tube. Restore all accessories to their original state.